Hello guys, welcome to my new channel, and I don't know what the new channel is called because I haven't made the channel already, but I wanted to make this video really quick and I'll make the channel after this, and this really doesn't make sense. But anyways, this is an updated video on Mine-İmator for Mac, and some of you know 1.1.2 doesn't work on Mac. Because it's a DirectX 12, and yeah, Macs don't have DirectX, and yeah, the only way is Vine. Vine doesn't support it either. It only supports up to I think 11 or 10. I'm not sure, but anyways, now let's get into this. First of all, download Vine Bottler, and both is I think the same. But I downloaded the development version. It's because I don't know why I did that. I think this one has higher. I think this one is more newer, and yeah, this one got the update to Sierra and El Capitan first. That's why I downloaded this. I downloaded the Vine like a year ago now, and that's why it's development. I don't think it matters, so just download one. It's really simple. It's just download the DMG, then just download, drag it to the apps folder, basic stuff, normal download. Once you download that, it's not really hard. Go to Mine-İmator's site, by the way, all links in the description, mine-imator.com/download, and do not click this because it won't run in Macs, and it says Vista and 7 minimum, but we use Vine. The recommended RAM is 4 gig, minimum RAM is 4 gigs. I have 4, so I'm basically on the edge. And download Mine-İmator 1.0.6 March 2016, and download the zip. Do not download the exe because you won't get the full like cinematic skins and stuff. Once you download that, just unzip it. It's really simple, and click on Mine-İmator, mine-imator.exe, and it is done. As you know, unfortunately, Vine hasn't got an update like for several months now, and that's why it doesn't run the new thing, the DirectX 12, and I don't think it will. As you can see, it just runs perfectly fine, and just add a character or something. Hey, Stave human, add a zombie or something, just play around, do animation. You can download rigs. Yeah, it's not too different from Windows. Yeah, here you go. And this is a new updated video on Mine-İmator, and I haven't seen one yet. Like I searched on YouTube Mine-İmator, how to download for Mac, and the latest video was 6 months ago, and then the 1.1.2 wasn't out, and I saw my friends try to download, and like, what's going on? Why can't I download it? And just want to make this tutorial. So leave a like if you enjoyed, and subscribe, and goodbye.